What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another Volted update. Shout out to all y'all that's been rocking with me and enjoying these gains right now. So vechain just dropped something on us. I'm talking about a major banger. So first ever DAO proposal. If the proposal is approved in 7 days, the bridge liquidity will be reduced by burning 44.85 trillion volt, worth $56 million, y'all. So that basically means we have a $56 million burn possibly coming. Imagine what that's going to do for vechainu's price action. Then 25% of the uniswap liquidity will be allocated to Volt listing on Polygon. So when you think about how bullish that is, Polygon is one of the most popular networks, probably like the number 3 most popular blockchain. So for us to have a bridge being allowing the Polygon community to tap into vechainu is going to be extremely bullish. So a lot of y'all know we got the ERC20 side of vechainu, Ethereum. We got the BEP20 side of vechainu, BNB, and then we got Polygon possibly coming. So if this does come, this is going to be absolutely bullish. We're going to be able to basically open up vechainu to millions of more investors, which is, gonna, this is not financial advice, y'all, but connect the dots, man. Y'all know what time it is when I say that. So here's the details on it and how to vote. So let's take a look at this real quick. Also, vechainu hit over a $100 million market cap. If we go back to the charts that I did 2 weeks ago, this is why you need to be subscribed. If you like making money, you like being able to position yourselves before things start to take off. My theme this whole last 2 weeks has been, I don't want y'all to have to chase those green candles. Now, if you decide to buy right now, I'm not mad at you. I'm not wrong, because I think vechainu has a lot of upside from here, but I would have preferred for y'all to be able to get in at a much lower point. So y'all know who I'm talking to, a few of y'all. The rest of y'all that already know what's up, y'all know, but burn the bridge liquidity and list vote on Polygon. So the reason we are releasing this announcement and poll is to allow our DAO to execute its first on-chain decision regarding the future of Volt. As you know, Volt has always aimed to be the people's crypto, and this is why we are submitting the following 2 proposals to the community vote today. So one is reduce the bridge liquidity by burning 44.8 trillion worth of Volt, $56 million worth at the time of this proposal, or withdraw, option 2, withdraw 25% of the Uniswap liquidity to allocate it to a Volt deployment and listing on the Polygon blockchain. Okay, so there's 2 ways to go about it. So bullish either way, if either option happens, we can see the current results right here. Number 1, option 1 is 8.3 trillion votes so far voting towards making this happen. Option 2, we got 115 million people basically voting for the second option, to withdraw 25% of the Uniswap liquidity to allocate it to a Volt deployment and listing on the Polygon chain. So more people interested right now in this $56 million burn. Imagine what that's going to do for the price. That's over 8 figures right there, y'all. Absolutely crazy when you think about it. So here's the way to cash your vote. You got to connect your wallet here. This is snapshot.org. Tripity. The link will be on the official vechainu page. I will also retweet this tweet with the link inside of it, so that way you can have this link. Also, I'll grab this link and put it in the description section of my video, just so y'all can get to it even faster and drop your votes. So me personally, I'm leaning towards, so I thought it was both options, but now I see it's a either or. But I'm leaning towards that $56 million vote, or excuse me, burn. What do y'all want to do? What do y'all want to see? Are y'all more excited to see a $56 million burn, or 25% of the Uniswap liquidity being allocated to Volt deployment on the Polygon chain? So let me know what y'all think about that. Now let's check out what else vechainu has to say. Shout out to Ian, says vechainu is absolutely flying and now in price discovery. New all-time high coming soon. It is almost time to vote, says Vatoshi, the quiet reflection before the storm. Shout out to Maria Anderson. She says this token will explode vechainu. So you see, we got a lot of influencers, a lot of people excited about vechainu, keeping the memes coming as well. This is a very important aspect. Sometimes I don't know how Vatoshi does everything that he has to do to make Volt be the project that it is. Absolutely wild. So shout out to Pablo as well. Tonight we crow extra early, 5 p.m. Eastern time, or get voted. BNB, Shib, Doge, Floki, and here's the link there. I did check that one out. I was in the cut on that one. Then we got a retweet over here from Satoshi on Elon saying Vox Populi Vox D. I'm not even sure what that means. 134 million people have seen this poll. Reinstate former President Trump. So final results say yes. Okay. So shout out to Gang Bangers. Said, you know, we back with the Sunday service, $100 million market cap as promised. Will the all-time high get hit today too? Let's talk about it. Also, Satoshi says only 3.74% of the supply left on DeFi across the Uniswap and pancakeswap pools, y'all. And then we got a Benzinga article right here talking about the voltage. Shout out to 2Bit Crypto as well. The voltage adoption is at all-time high. Shout out to Orso token. We gotta tap in. We're gonna start doing some reviews. Let me know, do y'all want me to start reviewing these projects on the voltage that are basically adopting voltage. Just became the 77th project to integrate our widget on their website. Every trade going through voltage means more burns. And then again, shout out to Adam, always holding it down. He says, could Volt be the next Shiba? Absolutely. Shout out to Ozzy as well. He says, buying 0.3 ETH, $500 worth of Volt in December 2021. Responsibly take profits by selling 23% of your bag. End up with the bag of Volt worth $282,000 February 2023. All of this with VoltInu still under $100 million market cap. So the real run to billions is about to start. I could easily see VoltInu getting up to a anything that's a solid, legit project, under $1 billion market cap. It's easy to, I won't say easy to get there, but it's reasonable to get there. With VoltInu, I could easily see us doing around that $2 billion market cap level, which will put us around a 30th by market cap, in a position of 30th largest project by market cap. So right around there with ApeCoin. 412 days ago, showing that person bought 0.3 Ether, and then showing right now what is valued at this current time. So that's why time in the market beats trying to time the market. And then shout out to Satoshi as well for sharing my last video. This literally might be the last chance to eat some Volt at these levels. If you miss any of the latest news, this is a must watch. So let's jump over, and shout out to Jazz and Jake as well. Let's jump over to the VoltInu charts, take a look at what we got here. So as you can see, we are on VoltInu right now. Let's refresh it. 1497 level, up 12%. Now you can see some of the markings that I put on a chart from a few weeks ago. I wanted to leave this up just so y'all can actually see this in real time, that we actually call this to the T. So look at these dots here that I drew as candles outside of here. So when I wrote this, when we marked this up, we were about right here in this candle. So none of these candles from here on out were on the chart yet, and we predicted that VoltInu was ready to break out. And let's go a little bit before of what we were looking at. So it's not like we had too much to go off of, but with a lot of the indicators were lining up saying that it was ready to break out. Now we say what's likely to happen. Now what's 100% guaranteed to happen, because we don't have a crystal ball here, so we can only use these indicators to make a prediction. Now my prediction said that the price will break out up here to this 15-ish level right here. Look at exactly where my last dot was here, and I did this 2 weeks before where we exactly are right now, where we're basically starting to see, we broke out to this level, and now we're starting to see selling pressure. Notice when it broke out, it continued all the way up to this point where I said, where we start to see the candle get a little thinner now. But this is what technical analysis allows you to be able to do. This is why when I tell y'all in these videos, it's not financial advice, but connect the dots. You got to go connect your own dots and do your due diligence, so that way you can take advantage of opportunities like this. So I think VoltInu is about to go crazy. We are sitting at $103 million market cap at this point. Let me drag this over a little bit just so y'all can see this. So yeah, so this is the level we predicted it to. Once it broke out of this area here, it broke right out to that same level that I plotted out 2 weeks ago. Gave you 2 weeks heads up on this. I said in one of my last videos as well, it might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, but it's about to take place. So you just want to be prepared. But we started seeing selling pressure right around this same exact level here. Notice I even didn't even market all the way up to the line here, because I know sometimes people sell a little early in anticipation. But you know, this is just, you know, a little luck mixed with, you know, understanding market timing and technical analysis, as well as some of the fundamentals on voinu and macroeconomic conditions as well. So when you put all that together, you kind of get, like, you know, the ability to paint some picture where you can give yourself a educated guess, basically, because nobody's 100% right when it comes to this. So that's pretty much all we got, y'all. Things are about to get crazy. We got a $56 million burn on the way, possible bridge to Polygon network, Volti Flex coming out. We got $1 million burn at all-time high. You know, a lot of crazy things going on right now. So just make sure you tapped in. That's all I want to say for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.